watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southwest Virginia and southeast West Virginia, including the following areas. In southwest Virginia: Bland, Carroll, Floyd, Giles, Grayson, Montgomery, Pulaski, Smith, Caswell, and Wythe. In southeast West Virginia: eastern Greenbrier, Mercer, Monroe, Summers, and western Greenbrier. From Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening, showers and a few thunderstorms will bring moderate to heavy rain across the watch area on Wednesday in association with the approach and passage of a cold front. Behind the cold front, northwest winds will increase and help generate additional showers across the western sections of the watch area Wednesday evening. During both of these time periods, flash flooding will be possible, especially where multiple showers or storms cross the same location in a short period of time. Small streams may leave their banks and water may threaten life and property. Here are the 2 p.m.